Okay, so I've come back out here to give this another go. I really would like to get some white blanket. Maybe, you know what? I might have a sheet. Oh, idea. Okay, in today's video, we're just going to tackle some small chores, laundry. We're definitely going to upgrade the backyard into this little VIP lounge. Got this really cool little railing. I'm obsessed with this. I need to settle a paper disaster and get caught up on my schedule for the week. So we're going to go into my office for a little bit later on. But right now, I am still struggling with this front yard Christmas decoration fail. Like, what is going on? Everything has broken. All the lights we used to hang on top are gone, dead, broken, trashed. We lost a reindeer last year, and we only have this one reindeer that you're seeing there. But this reindeer is half lit up at night. It's not working either. I don't know what happened to my bush lights. I don't know. Everything is just a disaster. And anyway, stay tuned if you're into all things wonky, because that's what we're looking at. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I am an actress, author, and a lifestyle bestie and shopping over on Amazon Live. And if you are into any of these things and you seem to have some decorating fails of your own, I'd love to hear from you. And you've actually come to the right place. You are where you belong. So please, let's just get going and let's get into it, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We really love and appreciate it. Okay, let's get going. It's actually kind of nice to have a day without any really big projects, just the usual stuff I want to knock out before my week really kicks into gear, like laundry. I found that every time I come into the bathroom or this area for anything, taking just a couple of minutes to tackle the laundry pile really helps keep those heaps from turning into mountains. And let me just back it up like a few steps about that front yard. I've decided to just go all in this year. I know I said I wasn't going to do it. I really didn't want to do it. There's other big projects I would really like to spend time and money on, but it just doesn't feel Christmassy to me without the front yard matching that holiday spirit energy. So, throwing caution to the wind, I've decided to just go all in. I'm ordering a bunch of new decorations to really spark some holiday spirit. Once everything's here and delivered, we're going to dive into a proper Decorate With Me Christmas special, and I hope you guys are going to stick around for that. Please subscribe to the video and the notification bell so that you can be alerted when that Christmas special Decorate With Me goes live, and it is going to be something we can all be proud of and maybe even laugh about, because honestly, right now, it's a bit of a decorating abomination.
Each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel
Okay, let's talk about the VIP lounge in my backyard. Now, I don't even know what wild hair I had when I ordered these railings, but when they arrived, I was so excited. If you've been a part of this little family here on my channel for a while, you know that my backyard oasis is basically my life motto. I want this space to feel fancy, like a little retreat that makes me want to come outside. Like here where I live, there's only a handful of times a year when it's really comfortable to hang out outside. If I don't like swatting and combating bugs, so I won't go outside if there's a bug situation. If it's hot and I'm melting, I won't go out either. If it's too cold, I won't go out, even though I really do prefer the cold to the heat these days. But, anyways, I'm always striving to create an ambience that supports that vibe. I love gardening, having lunch out here, and even in the evenings, I want to set a mood that makes you feel super special. Like this is your own little magical escape. And of course, I couldn't do it without my little helpers out here keeping an eye on me, supervising. So please keep the video a like to let all my little hens know that you're there and you want to give them loves and hugs while we're out here getting some things done today.
It's Christmas time, yay. You know that I can't take a breath when you're away. Each and every night I lay awake, hoping and praying that one day you gonna come around my door and say that baby you can't live without me and that you need me too. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? Each year the snow falls down on top of the tallest trees. Dig out your ribbons and bows, carolers walking along and singing, spreading that holiday cheer. Seem to keep on drawing us near, and baby you got me playing jingle bells. Baby, it's true. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? You know that I've been waiting for you to come home, baby, so we can hold each other this Christmas time. Together, looking out the
Are you
window,
kicking me out?
watching as the seasons go. I'm reminded you're mine.
All right, go ahead.
Once in a lifetime, underneath the blanket of snow. Each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? Underneath the blanket of snow. Reminisce on all the fun times we had. It's Christmas time. Crazy how the years go by so fast.
Easy days with small wins. Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm talking about. And thank you, please. Something I wanted to tackle today was the office, the more specifically paper pile in the office. I've got the gold admin box. I've got the uh, batch filming gold box. I've got the intake area. And all of this ties into the monthly, weekly, and daily to do planning that is ever constant. It does not end. So this space is where the scheduling happens, where things move in and out, where I keep myself caught up on sort of everything I need to handle. And friends, it is not glamorous. It's so boring. But staying on top of this little system honestly keeps my whole week from falling apart. And my journaling friends and fam, I am with you. Like, I love journaling, planning. I love bujos. I have notebooks on notebooks on notebooks. But I'm on a no buy freeze from notebooks, washi tape, stickers, um, markers, colored pencils, all the things. I am on a no buy freeze. So I will not be buying any of these things for quite some time. Um, because I have so much of it, and I actually want to challenge myself. And if you guys want to join in on this little challenge, please join in with me. Let me know in the comments below with a little gift box if you would like to join in on this challenge, and maybe we can make it like official. But one of the goals I would like to challenge us all to do is um, I want to work through all these blank notebooks, notepads, pens, pencils, markers. I want to get it down to a manageable, reasonable amount. I feel like I've overconsumed in this area and I would like to fix it. So that's the challenge. And I think I can get through, if not everything, because I think it takes a long time to get through notebooks and stuff, or calendars or whatever. What I do know I could probably get through is a lot of the extras, like the pens, the markers. Eventually, the ink will run out of all these things. Am I right? So, those are the things I know I should be able to get rid of in the next few months, 6 months maybe. I don't know. What would be a good timeline? I'm asking you now. I need the call to action, guys. Tell me what and how we can construct this challenge because I am all in on this challenge. Let me know. Let's just get this place cleaned up and organized so that my head is clear as well. So let's just keep going.
It's Christmas time, yeah. You know that I can't take a breath when you're away. Each and every night I lay awake hoping and praying that one day you gonna come around my door and say that baby